What's going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having a great week. Thought I would just make a quick vlog, short vlog if you will, on what's going on with my channel. And I've reached 244 subscribers, so I'm one subscriber away from reaching my 245, in which case once I reach 245 I will be doing a GoPro giveaway once I reach 245. But I thought I would just make a quick vlog on what I've been doing. Obviously, my last video was talking about how you can reformat your hard drive and how you can use it on a Windows device if you wanted to. Just wanted to give a quick up on, I am going to be coming out with some new content, possibly going to be getting me a new camera, even though I've already got Panasonic Panasonic G7, a Lumix G7. I like the Panasonics a lot, so I was actually looking at some of the newer models that came out. Obviously they're a little bit more expensive than I was expecting, although I probably should have known that. But I like the Panasonic so much that I'm actually looking at probably getting one more. This one's gonna be more of a compact travel size, but kind of in the same style as the my current model. It's gonna have a kit lens, and it'll have a hot shoot, and I'm just not really sure which one I'm gonna get, but I have my eye on one. So I just wanted to give a quick update on that. So I do have some new merchandise that I'm going to be unboxing and kind of showing. It's going to kind of improve my YouTube videos as well as my channel, and it's something that I want to share along with my subscribers and people out there who are looking to start their first YouTube channel or still learning to grow their channel, and just, you know, want to know what else they can do to kind of help get them along on their channel. Even though I've been doing YouTube since 2009, haven't really gotten into seriously until about 2017. So just wanted to give a quick update on that. And yes, I am sitting in my car, and I'm actually on my way to get something for do a quick errand. So, but that's pretty much what I just wanted to do, was kind of give a quick update that I do have some new content that I'm going to be coming out with, and I've got some new stuff that I'm going to be buying and some unboxings that I'll be doing, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, yep, I'm at 244. I'm one subscriber away from doing a GoPro giveaway. Once I reach that 245, I will do that GoPro giveaway, and then I'm going to be setting another goal, but that'll be coming up in an upcoming video pretty soon. This one will be for the holidays, so get ready for that one. And again, I'm going to thank all my subscribers for helping me reach this goal. You guys, you know, stuck in there with me. Like I said, I'm still learning YouTube just like you guys are. I'm still learning my how to get my subscribers up, how to get my views up, and my views have been actually doing pretty good. I want to thank you all for that. And so that's it. So that's my quick vlog. Again, this is Black Appeal, the Apple Guy. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, that way you don't miss content when I drop it. And again, I drop content every other Thursday. Again, usually when it's a holiday and it falls on a weekday, which is usually on a Monday for me, I usually will not have a video out that following Thursday. I'll probably have one out a little later than that. But I figured with this video, I always wanted to do a quick vlog because I didn't really have, I was out with my family enjoying the Labor Day weekend. And so last day was at the fair, was Monday here in Alaska. It usually starts from August 30th to the 2nd of September. So Monday being a holiday, I really wanted to do that with my family, so that's why I didn't really have any content. So again, I just want to thank everybody for sticking with me. I got some cool stuff that's gonna be coming up in the next couple of months, and then at the end of the year, and then next year I'm going to be doing some more pretty awesome stuff. So thanks for sticking along with me, and everybody, and have a good one.